Welcome to my crib. My name is Dee.
Okay. Okay.
No, but welcome to room 10152. We have, let's start with this mirror because, oh, let me pull my shirt down a little bit. You have to back up a little bit, but you can get all of you if you need be. The lighting is kind of good. I really like these buttons right here. So instead of having a thing to put outside, you just press the button. Does it show outside? I don't know if it shows outside.
Yeah, so there's lightings up outside. And so there's a do not disturb button.
That is so cool.
And a makeup room button. So no more stickers. You don't have to talk to your room steward. Just push the button and then you'll see the lights outside.
I like that. Since it's on Hades, we have turned our thermostat all the way down. You have to put a card, of course, into here to turn the lights on. The lights have various settings. 1, a 2, and a 3. Oh, I didn't even see. First of all, I didn't see this bathroom before we walked in here. So we have a nice door to our shower.
Yeah, we love a door.
Yes.
The shower curtain thing is played out.
Oh my
we
gosh.
like the door.
And of course you have your shampoo and conditioner over there. You have come on. You have little racks here for your towels. This is pretty cute. I don't know how I'm gonna fit my towel on there, but it's cute. And you also have storage space for your personal items and belongings. Oh, this is for like your toothbrush and toothpaste and whatnot. You have a little brush here because you know Phil might need that.
Hey. What else?
Instead of having soap, they have a little soap dispenser here.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Which is cool.
That's nice.
And apparently it works because I have some on my finger. And then your sink. The sink is pretty cute. However, there's not a lot of vanity space. So.
And then the toilet next to the sink. See, we kind of wise. Remember, this shit was made for Europeans. I don't know if it's how good it is for us Americans. We're a little bit wide-bodied, but
I can fit. I don't know about after eating on the ship.
Yeah.
But I can fit right now.
Yeah, and after eating on that ship, you're gonna need to use that brush.
Right. So we have two other towel racks right here, which I can fit my towel on. I don't know how I'm gonna fit my towel on those other racks. Come on, follow me. We have some space for Phil to unpack. We're gonna see if he gonna unpack, because he ain't unpacked since that one trip that he said he was gonna unpack on.
I did. I unpacked on every other trip. Exactly.
We have drawers here. We have shelf space. We have a safe box with safe box instructions. If you slide, oh,
it's
a
shut.
little raggedy.
It's shut.
If you slide through the door, then you have some bars to hang things on and some hangers for your elegant night, fancy night, captain's dinner, whatever you want to call it.
You don't want to be wrinkled for elegant night.
Right, because I will be. You have ice and cups. They have ice on the floor? That's interesting.
You might have to ask your room steward.
Okay. You have an ice bucket and cups, and then it talks about the different mini bar items. However, our mini bar is locked.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we can ask our room steward, who we have not yet met, to open it for us so that we can get something out, or how that works. But yeah, our mini bar is locked. Internet package. Oh, Rodney, look at there. That's our stateroom attendant. And we can dial 99 if need be. Internet package, which we bought beforehand. We can order breakfast. Is it for a fee? Probably. I
think breakfast is usually free.
Okay, I don't see.
Don't quote me on that, but we'll let y'all know.
I don't see any prices, but that doesn't mean you don't have to pay. So we'll see when we talk to Lil Rodney.
Little Rodney.
And then your emergency criminal response security and safety acts. Remote. Here we have a nice spacious couch with a lovely painting with some sticks and stuff. And the couch does not pull out, so it's just something comfy to sit on other than the bed, especially if you've been outside, you've been on Ocean Cay or wherever your MSC trip takes you. You don't want to sit on the bed, you can sit on the couch. Speaking of, because I said the vanity was small, this area right here, although I'm not particularly a fan of the lighting, you can sit here and do what you need to do with your face. Bring a light.
Yeah, and there is a pull-out
Yes, there is.
seat right underneath.
It's a little hard to pull out, and it doesn't look very comfortable. But you do have a pull-out seat where you can sit here and do it. Like I said, I'm not a fan of the light.
Good thing you got all that cushion where it's not so hard.
All right. So bring a light or something to kind of help. Or, you know, we have the balcony, so maybe if we open that up, because the curtain's closed currently, and maybe if we open that up, it'll bring a little bit more light in, but I'm not assuming so. So we have a drawer here with the blow dryer. In the restroom, though, I did see a little port up top for shavers. How you connect the shaver, I don't know. But there's a port for shavers only. You have a trash can with compartments.
Maybe recycled trash, glass, maybe.
First of all, I don't know what the colors mean. There's no color coding dictation for me to understand what it means. And I do believe that that part there on the bottom is supposed to be here on the top, but I'm not going to touch it. So we're going to put that right back down there. We have a phone with emergency reception, room service, the spa and specialty restaurants on speed dial for you to call. We do have some outlets that we don't use. A USB port and 2 outlets that we will be using. However, we did bring our plug-in.
Yeah, it's not a power surge, but it's like a power strip, cruise approved power strip.
Yeah, it's a little circle.
Yeah, and we got that from Amazon. And we'll put a link on it in the description box.
Yeah, we have our little nice small TV, which did have the safety instructions and whatnot playing a few moments ago. We do have our bed here, our nice king bed. It is burning up, so I do apologize if I am sweating on the camera.
So one thing we did find out, yeah, it is burning up, but we found out the AC doesn't work unless
the balcony
door is closed. So if it's open, the AC automatically shuts off. So it's just something to keep in mind.
Yeah, we have another picture here with the stuff, with the sticks, but it's just the things. I don't know what this is.
Look like cantaloupe / pumpkins.
I don't know. It's aesthetically pleasing to the eye, I assume.
We call them pumpalopes.
With the pumpalopes here on the wall. You have your mat for your luggage, which we have not yet received. Our 2 towels. This is so cute. Look. It's so fancy and elegant. But also you have your pool and beach towel service information, linking your account information, and then your daily kind of what's happenings around the ship, your destination guide, and as you saw in the previous vlog or earlier, depending on how this kind of comes out, you saw us kind of playing on the thing where you can kind of do your excursions and whatnot. So everything that was there is kind of on here.
Yeah.
For you to kind of look at and decide on what you want to do once you get to your destination. On the sides of the bed, you have 2 little nightstands and light fixtures, as well as a reading lamp light on the side, and access to the overhead lighting where you can turn it off or turn it to one of those 1, 2, 3 settings. Here, dun, 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 it's probably why our room is so freaking hot.
But it's also the reason why you cruise.
We have a balcony, which Maybe not. I don't know what this little light.
I think that might be the light to outside.
It's a light right here.
Yeah.
I didn't see it at first. So there's I don't know if Phil can get it, but there's a little lock right here. And you just pull that back to green. You have to turn this all the way up and then pull. And then we have our balcony, which is a little small and restricted, but enough for me to sip on something and do Sudoku.
Yeah, you know, if y'all saw the Carnival Breeze vlog, you know, hey, we both found out together that she do Sudoku. I had no clue.
Whatever.
I know this woman, what, 6, 7 years?
This is the light that kind of comes on when you press that light switch. But yeah, this is a little balcony. Once we kind of get going, you'll see a little bit more of what it looks like out here. This is the Bella stateroom with the balcony. So I know that there's another level above that, and then, you know, it's your yacht club membership. So we just kind of stuck with the Bella because, I mean, why not? You got the balcony, you got the bed, you got the bathroom. That's all you need. I mean, our mini bar is locked, but that's okay. So yeah, I mean, Phil, is there anything else on the room tour that I have not discussed that you feel like has caught your eye, or besides the whatever you call these?
No, I mean, I think she did a pretty good job of it. But like I said, the biggest takeaway, like I said, like if you see me, I know I'm sweating a little bit right now, but you got to keep that balcony door closed for your AC to work. And so once we found that out, we pumped that air all the way down to the coldest setting. So we're gonna sit around, chill a little bit, wait for our luggage to arrive, and then
I don't know, it's kind of hot. We might go get another cocktail or something to kind of help us cool off.
You're gonna start sweating more then.
Before we just sit around, because it's hot, y'all. It's really hot. So in conclusion, this is our Bella stateroom with a balcony on deck 10, 10152 to be exact. And yeah, I hope y'all like the room tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time, Spreezies.